Have you ever looked at your traditional bank statement and thought, there has to be a better way to manage my money? Or perhaps you've seen those vibrant, hot coral cards popping up everywhere and wondered, what's the deal with Monzo? For years, we've relied on established financial institutions, the high street banks our parents and grandparents used. But a new player, a digital-first challenger, has entered the arena, promising a revolution in how we interact with our money. Today, we're diving deep into the ultimate financial showdown, Monzo versus traditional banks. Which one truly holds the key to a better banking experience? Let's start by setting the stage. Traditional banks, like HSBC, Barclays, Lloyds, or NatWest, have been the bedrock of our financial lives for centuries. They offer a comprehensive suite of services: current accounts, savings, mortgages, loans, investments, and often, the comforting presence of a physical branch where you can walk in and speak to a human. They're steeped in history, often seen as bastions of reliability and trust. But along with that history can come a certain slowness. Legacy systems, complex fee structures, and the occasional feeling that you're just another number in a very long queue. Enter Monzo. Launched in the UK in 2015, Monzo arrived with a clear mission: to make money management simpler, more intuitive, and entirely digital. It started as an app-based challenger bank and quickly gained a full UK banking license in 2017. Monzo doesn't have branches, preferring to exist entirely on your smartphone. This digital-first approach means they can offer real-time notifications, intelligent budgeting tools, and a user experience that often feels years ahead of the curve. So, the core question isn't just about where you keep your money, but how you experience banking. Let's break down the key battlegrounds: features, fees, customer service, security, and overall user experience. First up, features and functionality. Traditional banks offer a breadth of services that, on the surface, seem hard to beat. You can get pretty much any financial product under one roof. Need a mortgage? Go to your high street bank. Want to open a pension? They've got you covered. They offer a sense of stability and often a wider range of complex financial products that Monzo, as a newer entity, is still building out. Many traditional banks have also stepped up their digital game, offering mobile apps for basic transactions, bill payments, and checking balances. However, Monzo was built for the digital age. Its app is where the magic happens. From the moment you open an account, which often takes mere minutes, compared to the potentially lengthy process with a traditional bank, you're plunged into a world of intuitive features. Real-time spending notifications are a game-changer. Every purchase you make, large or small, instantly pings your phone, showing you the amount, the merchant, and your updated balance. This immediate feedback loop can significantly change your spending habits. Beyond notifications, Monzo offers powerful budgeting tools. You can categorize your spending automatically, see trends, and set budgets for different areas of your life, like eating out or groceries. If you're someone who constantly wonders where their money goes, Monzo's visual breakdown can be incredibly enlightening. They also have pots, virtual sub-accounts where you can squirrel away money for specific goals, like a holiday or a new gadget. You can even set up Salary Sorter, which, on payday, automatically divides your income into different pots for bills, savings, and spending. Try doing that seamlessly with your traditional bank's app. Monzo also shines in international spending. They offer fee-free spending abroad, using the MasterCard exchange rate, which is usually very competitive. While traditional banks often hit you with foreign transaction fees and less favorable exchange rates, Monzo allows you to travel and spend without worrying about hidden costs. They even partner with services like Wise for cheaper international transfers. Fees and charges. This is often where the rubber meets the road for many people. Traditional banks have a reputation for a multitude of fees: overdraft fees, monthly account maintenance fees, if you don't meet certain conditions, foreign transaction fees, and sometimes even fees for withdrawing cash from out-of-network ATMs. While many now offer fee-free basic current accounts, the charges for going slightly outside the norm can quickly add up. Overdraft interest rates can be particularly punishing, often running at high APRs. Monzo, on the other hand, prides itself on transparency. Their basic current account is free. While they do have some premium paid plans, Monzo Extra, Perks, and Max, which offer additional benefits like travel insurance, higher interest on savings, and increased fee-free ATM withdrawals, the core account remains free. For international ATM withdrawals, Monzo typically offers a fee-free limit, e.g., £200 per month for standard accounts, with a 3% fee applied beyond that. Cash deposits, which are limited to PayPoint or post office locations, usually incur a small fee, £1 per deposit. For the most part, Monzo's fee structure is simpler and more user-friendly, with less chance of unexpected charges. Customer service. This is a contentious point and often a significant factor in people's banking choices. Traditional banks boast the advantage of physical branches. For those who prefer face-to-face interaction, need to deposit large sums of cash, or require help with complex issues, a branch can be invaluable. However, branch opening hours can be restrictive, and waiting times can be long. Phone banking is an option, but often involves lengthy automated menus and queues. Monzo's customer service is entirely in-app and often available 24/7. Their chat support is widely praised for its responsiveness and helpfulness. Many users report quick resolutions to issues and a more personal, conversational tone compared to traditional banks. This digital-first approach means you can get help wherever you are, without needing to visit a branch or wait on hold. However, for those who are less tech-savvy or who value the tangible security of a physical presence, the lack of branches can be a significant drawback. There's no escaping the fact that if your phone dies, or you're in an area with no internet, accessing your Monzo account could be challenging. Security and trust. This is a critical concern for any financial institution. Traditional banks have a long history of robust security measures, including physical security in branches, sophisticated fraud detection systems, and strong regulatory oversight. They often benefit from a perceived higher level of trust simply due to their long-standing presence. Monzo, as a fully licensed UK bank, offers the same level of protection for your deposits as traditional banks. Your eligible deposits are protected up to £85,000 by the Financial Services Compensation Scheme, FSCS. This means that in the unlikely event Monzo goes out of business, your money up to that limit is safe. Beyond regulatory protection, Monzo employs advanced security features within its app. You get instant notifications for all transactions, which helps in quickly identifying and reporting any suspicious activity. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.